Hello, my name's Sue Grant, and today we're taking a look at the Discovery 58 ELUSIVE. You're seeing her first on the Solent, or in fact just going past Hurst Castle, on motoring trials with Berthon Boat Company. She's from 2017. She had a refit here completed spring 2021, which involved a survey followed by a complete review of all the systems and a sorting out of all the defects raised by the surveyor so that her new owner should have a totally trouble-free experience with this great yacht. Here she is going full chat. I'm afraid that we have no pictures of her under sail. She carries North Norland Ultra X sails, and she has sails for the Genoa, a staysail and in-mast furling, as well as an MPS, which is very brightly coloured. The hull is in agate grey. It's a gelled hull and it is virtually faultless. She is being put through her paces here with the needles in the background. We also took the opportunity to check all electronics, generator, airco, central heating, and so on before decommissioning her and bringing her out of the water. This is one very smart looking blue water cruising yacht. Now here she is ashore at Berthon and getting ready to go onto the market. Copper coat below, and she's got these smart style lines. We'll just have a look at her side-on. Big hull windows, and of course she's got those signature vertical windows for the owner's cabin. Light floods into this yacht throughout. She has a Selden painted rig, swept-back spreaders. Be pleased to know no runners. Twin furling set up at the front, as is normal with a Discovery. Designed by Ron Holland, of course. Very pretty yacht. And we're just going to have a look at her transom with deep steps. Easy to get on and off this yacht. Big electric davits. Split backstay. Solar above the davits. Twin steering positions, twin carbon wheels. Those famous gin and tonic seats. The solar array can be removed, and here's a stainless steel antennae pod. Flush hatches. Very nice wide side decks. Everywhere you go there's somewhere to hang on to. Big protected cockpit. And then we'll just move forward. Of course, all Discoveries have the self-tacker, which just makes controlling the boat when you're short-handed so easy. And there's a big forward lazarette, and there is her lovely stainless steel anchor. The front sails are powered both by Reckman. Teak deck is in fabulous shape. Everything is as it should be on deck. Rig is looking very good. Twin whisker poles. and everything is controlled from the cockpit, so all comes back there. Gas locker underneath there. Look at her very smart cockpit table, which has just been refinished. John Boy life raft. Barbecue, which is nice to have. And main sheet aft out of the way. She's running on Garmin. And the controls are duplicated. There is a fixed bimini above this twin helm. And the spray hood is off at the moment. Twin powered winches. And if you look behind, all of the functions are controlled from this point, which means that you don't leave the cockpit to control the sails. Here's a fridge. You can see the bimini here with patches so that you can see up to the sails. And now we're going to go below. Here we are in the main saloon. Total vision. The interior is in oak with this really smart grey Antico flooring and grey leather burr on the saloon table. You've got the chart table, which is raised so that it's easy to watch keep from the interior, trademark of all Discoveries. Sideboard to starboard with masses of storage room, and then we're just going to go forward into the VIP cabin. All the doors have this wonderful ebony line on them. This is a very large cabin. Separated mattresses. See how the light floods in. Big wardrobes. And now we're going to have a look in the upper and lower berth cabin. All the exterior upholstery is here. Again, lots of storage space. Elusive is a very high spec yacht. The owners added around about 200,000 more when they were fitting her out to make her perfect for blue water. Look at that fantastic Korean counter space. Separated shower stall. A lot of attention was paid to colour and design on the interior to make her feel light and bright and livable. The owners intended to spend a lot of time on board the yacht, virtually full time. So now we're going back and we'll have a look at this chart table. She's got SSB Iridium, full electronics by Furuno, pop-up screen, and now down into the galley, which is fantastic. She's got a quokka, you can just see that there, for instant hot water. She's got a dishwasher, lovely separated sinks, 5 burner cooker, how cool is that? Korean surfaces, they are throughout the yacht. And of course the massive refrigeration, as always from Discovery. Beautifully done, and that goes right back to the ship's side, so it's an enormous freezer that can just be a massive fridge if you're Mediterranean cruising, say, and another full-size fridge there. All the joinery is in fantastic condition. We have been doing some work on that. And then owner's cabin, again split mattresses. Look at those great vertical windows. And a dressing seat. And that lovely aft port light which opens. You've got Garmin repeater down here, Apple TV. See how the light just floods in. If we have a look here, here is the dressing table. And then we're going to have a look in the owner's ensuite. Separated shower, loads of storage, electric loo, towel rail, all really easy clean, lovely Corian surfaces. What a great place to spend time. And then we're going to go back through this galley, which also has a larder and loads of storage. And then we're just going to have a look in the workroom. There's a washer dryer in here, loads of space for spares and tools and so on. Intelligent Discovery control panel, always easy to understand. And then into the engine room, she's got a Yanmar in here, which is done around 1,000 hours. Onan generator, it's 7 kVA. Done 1,300 hours. Lots of very intelligent sound deadening. Easy access into everything. There's a water maker in here as well. 550 hours on that. Inverter chargers. And look at this toolkit on the back of the door. How cool is that? All just ready for the off. And then we're just going to go back into the main saloon. Discovery 58 Elusive, epic blue water cruising yacht.